Welcome back to Overheat, Mitsubishi Motorhome 2026. External, aerodynamics, and function. Mitsubishi usually puts functionality first. The external design will probably combine aerodynamics for fuel efficiency with contemporary aesthetics. LED lighting, for efficiency and visibility. LED headlights and taillights will be the norm. Color selections, for an adventurous lifestyle. There will probably be more earthy or neutral color selections. Interior, effective living area. Every available square inch will be utilized in the interior design. This entails a modular design with furniture that serves multiple purposes. Sleeping area. One important feature will be a bed, either fixed or convertible. Compact kitchen. Typically, there will be a tiny refrigerator, sink, and stove in the kitchen. Appliances that are detachable or stowable might be available. Storage, external sections for camping equipment, overhead cabinets, and a ton of concealed storage space. Materials, the furniture and upholstery will be made of lightweight, strong, and easily cleaned materials. Engine, if it is built on the canter, it will probably have a strong, effective diesel engine that can move big loads. Depending on the market and version, the transmission can be either manual or automatic. Suspension adjusted for stability and comfort over extended distances when loaded. Off-road capability will be a major selling feature for individuals looking for off-road adventures, whether the 4x4 option is based on the Delica or the 4x4 canter model. Modern infotainment system. It will come with a touchscreen and smartphone compatibility, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, digital control panel. The heating, cooling, water, and electrical controls will all be conveniently located in one place. Self-contained electrical system, inverter to convert DC electricity to AC, deep cycle battery, and rooftop solar panels, standard or optional. Safety and driver assistance systems such as automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, and a rear view camera.